If you like my dad's videos, please subscribe to QA Insights channel.
In today's video, we are going to see how you can performance test Neo4j Aura database in JMeter. Neo4j Aura is the fully managed cloud service where you'll be able to spin up Neo4j database in cloud within a couple of minutes. Recently, Neo4j announced free tier in Neo4j Aura service where you'll be able to spin up one database for free with the limited options. Now let us spin up one database in Neo4j Aura. You have to sign up in the neo4j.com and you'll be able to use the free tier option. Once you successfully logged in, just click on create a database button here. And here we are going to give a name for our database, say movies. And you can select the version and the GCP region. And here you can select the resources as shared because this is the free tier option where you will be able to make use of 50,000 nodes with 170k relationships. And just scroll down and click on create database and note down the password here. By default, the username is Neo4j and check this box and click on continue. Let us wait for the database to be up and running and then we can see how you can script in JMeter. Okay, now the database is up and running. Here you can see the connection URI and other details. Now let us feed the sample database into the Neo4j movies database. Just click on this open with and select Neo4j browser. And here you have to enter your username and the password for your Aura database. So by default, it uses the username Neo4j and the password you have to paste it here and click on connect. To load the sample database, just click on the star icon here and expand the example graphs and select the run button under the movie graph. So this will load up the movie graph sample in your IDE and just go to the next step and click on this query box, which will paste all the queries to your query editor and click on run button. This will create the sample database in the Neo4j. Just to check your database is loaded or not, you can write some sample query, say match n movie, and we are going to return the movie title. We will return around 50 movie titles. As you see, the movie title has been returned from the database. Now we can use this query in our JMeter. Just launch JMeter and first you have to add the config element for your Bolt connection configuration. Here you have to paste your Bolt URI. So let us copy the Bolt URI here and paste it here, and username is Neo4j and the password is whatever the password which generated during the database creation. And right click on the ether group and add the Bolt request. And here you can just copy the query from the Neo4j browser and paste it here. And you can delete the params because we are not going to make use of any params, and add the view results tree and click on run. Now this will successfully connect and then it will retrieve the details. For the better performance, no need to add the query results tag as true. Just keep it false so that your JMeter performance execution will be fine. Otherwise, you will face issues when you return the query results. Now, let us explore with some more additional queries. Just click on the star icon here and go to basic queries and click on hello world. So this will create the hello world message, and let us copy this and paste it in the new Bolt request. And let us change the name to say testing Neo4j and message is hello world and return database message and R. Now if you disable the first request and enable only the create database request, and if you hit run, this also will work fine. Just to make sure, you can go back to your Neo4j browser and hit refresh. So if you hit refresh, you may need to connect the database again. So let us connect the database. And if you expand the database icon, here you can see the new node label. Whatever you have created, it should appear here. So as you see, the new node label message has been created, and just click on it, and here you can see your details. So here you can see database ID 171 and the name is testing Neo4j, and here you can see the message hello world. So this is how you create Neo4j database in the Aura, and you'll be able to test your performance using the JMeter Bolt request. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.
If you like my dad's videos, please subscribe to QA Insights channel.